Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by preparing pieces that determine shape and stability. Cut a 6-inch black oval for the body and a 3-inch white oval for the belly. Precise size keeps proportions right. Once done, score and fold a 1/2-inch tab on the black oval's back. That tab will be your glue surface. Make the beak and feet from orange scraps now. A small triangle for beak and 2 webbed feet. These small elements define the penguin's character, so keep edges clean. Now you assemble the midsection to lock proportions and create depth. First, glue the white belly centered on the black body, aligning the top edge so the head area stays exposed. This contrast gives the penguin its classic look. Next, position the small orange beak just above the belly and add 2 tiny black circles for eyes. Balance is key for a friendly expression. Once eyes are set, cut wings, score thin hinge lines, and glue wings to the sides so they can slightly lift from the body. Finish by stabilizing and detailing the penguin so it stands and reads as crafted. Fold and glue the rear tab to a small cardstock base to help it stand. Press until secure, then trim any excess paper around seams for a clean silhouette. Add light marker strokes to suggest feather texture and deepen eye pupils for life. If parts misalign, don't force them. Lift gently, remove old glue, apply a small amount of fresh glue, and clamp with paper clips until dry. This rescues most mistakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.